Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can sign up to Roblox on your mobile device. Now, firstly, to sign up to Roblox, you'll have to have your device connected to the internet and then have the Roblox application installed into your phone. If you don't have the Roblox application installed, you can just simply open up the Play Store app, search for Roblox using this search bar, and then once the Roblox application opens up on your device, you can just hit the install button. If you already have the Roblox application installed, a play button will be appeared on your screen. Now, once you see that play button, you can just simply click on it. Or another way to access the Roblox application is to just search for the Roblox application on your phone and then just click on it. After the Roblox application starts up on your device, to sign up to it, you'll just have to simply click on this sign up button. You'll have to choose your birthday and then choose a username. So the username has to contain only letters, numbers, and symbols, and it has to be above 3 letters and below to 20 letters. Now let's set up a username. After you've set up a username, you can move on to choosing your password. So just choose a password. So keep in mind that you'll have to have a password which is at least 8 characters long and it does not match the username and which is not a single password. Now you can choose your gender, which is optional. You can choose it or not choose it. So if you're a female, just click the female icon, and if you're a male, just click the male icon and then click on this sign up button. After you've clicked on this sign up button, as you can see, the Roblox application has been opened up on my phone, and you can just use all of these game features and play to your heart's fulfillment. I hope this video helped you to download and sign up to Roblox. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video for more such amazing tutorials, and do subscribe to this channel.